So it is, if you have a function of uv, then dy dx is going to be u dv dx plus v du dx. Okay, I know it looks a bit complicated, but let me give you numbers and it's easy to understand. Y, say it's given as x plus 3 to the power of 5 times 10x. Now, it is difficult for you to multiply them because if you want to do it manually, like put it 5 times and all, that's going to be hard. So that is why here you can use product rule. We'll call the first term as u, the second term as v. So first, write back the u as x plus 3 to the power of 5. Differentiate the u. So now that we have learned composite differentiation, you can use that here. Bring the 5 in front. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now, what is your v? 10x. This you can just differentiate the normal differentiation. 10x becomes 10. So you have all these terms, just plug it inside. So your dy dx is first u. What's your u? X plus 3 to the power of 5 times dv dx. What is your dv dx? Times 10. Then you plus the v is going to be 10x. And what is your du dx? It's 5x plus 3 to the power of 4. See, in maths, whenever you can simplify something, you must simplify. You cannot just leave it hanging like this. Okay, so let's try to simplify this. How can we simplify this? You have 10 here, you have 10 here, so I'm going to take 10 out. What else can I take out? Do you realize we have x plus 3 as well? So the lowest power is what you always take out. So I'm going to take out x plus 3 to the power of 4. Then your bracket. What is left here? 10 is already out. Power of 4 is out. 5 minus 4 is 1. So I'm just going to write x plus 3. Then plus 10 is out. What is left? You have x. And you have 5. And that's it, because x plus 3 is to the power of 4 is already outside. So you can see how I can further simplify this. Okay, so inside the bracket, you're going to have x x plus 5x, 6x plus 3. And you can take 2 out from here. So that's going to be 20. See, I made a mistake. That is not 2, it's 3, so it's going to be 30. This is your final answer. Okay, so do you see how easy it is? From that, when you simplify, it gets easier. It looks much neater here compared to this, correct? So always simplify whenever. So let me give you another example, guys, for the product rule. Say you have and so how do we do this? First step, define the first term as the first entire term with the bracket as u and the second one as v. So your u is going to be 6x squared plus 7x to the power of 5 we are going to differentiate this using the composite function again. So 5, 6x squared plus 7x to the power of 4. If you differentiate inside, you get 12x plus 7. Okay, now your v is going to be 2x plus 5 to the power of -2. Differentiate that, you will get -2, -3. Differentiate inside, you get 2. So now that you have everything here, plug it into the formula. I'm writing back the formula. dy dx is equals to u dv over dx plus v. What's a u? Then what's a dv dx? Plus, what's the v here? And what's your du dx? It's quite long, isn't it? Okay, now it's time for us to simplify this. Let's see. It's going. First, let's take out the common terms. 2x plus 5. Always take out the smallest power. So the smallest power here is -3. Okay. As for this term here, the smallest is power 4. Numbers, you can't take it out, so that's it. Open up bracket. If I already have this, I don't have to write that. I need one more on that, so it's going to be 4. Okay, all right. 2x plus 5. Then expand this. You get 24x squared plus 28x. Expand this as well. So it's 2 times 12, 24x squared plus 14x plus 60x plus 35. And you close the bracket. Now can you simplify what? So 2x plus 5 to the power of -3. Then you have 6x squared plus 7x to the power of 4. What will happen inside? 24 plus 24 is going to be 48. 48 x to the power of 2. 28 plus 40 is going to be 42. 42 plus 60 is going to be 102. And finally the number 35. So it's pretty much simplified. This is your final answer.